shy.
Come on.
I don't tell her again, please.
Come on, me hungry.
Stay true to them dear ones. Just stay true to them dear ones. Just stay true to them dear.
Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Brightest Day. I'm back with another video. And this is my first official mukbang on my channel, Jamaican style. I have a special guest with me.
Hey.
I'm here with my mom, y'all. We're gonna do a Jamaican mukbang. I told y'all to send in questions that y'all want to ask her about me. So let's see what she thinking or what's in her head, okay? So before we get started, we bought Jamaican food at this Jamaican restaurant. I got oxtail, cabbage. Let me show y'all. So I got oxtail, I got some cabbage, and I got rice and peas. Mommy.
Jerk chicken, rice and peas, and some lettuce.
Them never put that in your plate?
No, me get
Oh, so them never done it. So
they
the
put cabbage, but I never want
Oh, you don't want the cabbage? Oh. And to drink, to wash down all of that, I got some pineapple guava. Mommy already poured fair one. Fruit punch. So let me knock and show up my cup too. Mommy never want ice, but I love ice, so the juice already hot.
My throat over the already.
Mine too, but
nice.
Alright guys, so like I said, I'm gonna ask her questions. I think I got maybe around 20, but I don't know if I'm gonna get through all 20 of them. But the point of a mukbang, you eat and you answer and you talk. And she's so curious to know the question that y'all sent in, but I didn't tell her. Upstairs she was like, so what kind of question them? Nope, I'm not telling her. So let's go. I got the book right here, so I'm just be glancing at the book back and forth to see. First one, nice and easy. How was I as a child?
A good child.
Explain. How was I? Like, what was my personality like? What was my interest? Yeah, like.
Well, she wasn't a trouble child. Never get no trouble. Go to school, come home, take her book. Basically everything I was expecting, you know. Never have a lot of friends.
I had friends.
Growing up, no, not when you was very young. A few friends, never have much friends.
Yeah.
They came over and all of that.
Yeah, they could come over, but she couldn't go.
Alright, I was just about to say that because me could have got nobody yard. Everybody could come to my yard. So when we were at school, I planned to, oh, me could have sleepovers and all these things. I'm like, no, can't plan, but you know, so me can't
go. She couldn't go over.
So I had my friends that came. I remember like in primary school, some of my friends came for mommy. I feel like talk to them parents and then come and they spent the weekend with me, and that was cool. Was there anything that made me upset as a child? What didn't I like?
But when our friends come over, if they like sit at the table and eat, and if they didn't put back the chair, so she get upset and she would cry, oh mommy, put them back because mommy gonna be mad or something like that. But basically, no, she didn't like people playing with their toys and like, you know, break them up. She was very...
I like people playing with my toys. I just don't like when they destroy
them. Yeah, you have to be very careful with our stuff, you know. Because she was like that.
Was I a girly girl?
Very. She was a girly girl. Stush. Wouldn't put her hands on the ground if she falls. She keep herself clean basically. So she was very girly. Dress up. Very girly.
Well, I feel like you made me girly though. Hey, me eat fatty oxtail. Look because I'm fat over there.
Very girly. No.
I feel like you grew me girly though.
Like you have a stush. And then we make a stush.
But you stush.
Stushy.
Miss Stush? Oh.
That's stush, mommy.
I thought it was stush.
Yeah.
That's stush.
Miss Stush?
Yeah.
How?
Now I feel like growing up, it was just like this level of, I don't know how to even describe it, but it was just a certain thing me have to do, or like, you know, like that is standard where you will set, and I feel like because of that, I feel like me that for stush.
Well, as a parent, you have a standard where you're going to set for your daughter, your first child, and whatever. Of course, and if you live in a certain community, of course. You have a standard.
Well, that was one of the questions too. Am I your first child?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
First and only girl.
She had me when she was 21.
21.
I surpassed that. And as I'm saying now, let's go into the other question. One of the questions was, do you want grandchildren? And if yes, how many?
Yes, I do. But guess what? She not going to give me her grandchildren. She not going to let them stay with me for long.
What? Of course you're not come stay with
She not
her.
going to want me to dress them. I want to dress them because she don't like brand. And I do.
Yeah, I'm not a very brand person, but mommy, and me not say why the sense of dressing your opinion all these brands and them are grow out like quick.
I do. And yes, I do want grandkids. As to how much, left to them.
And listen, remember that it's me and Shab, so if you could think of a number, what number?
4.
2 for me and 2 for Shab, or 1 for me and 3 for Shab?
2 for you, 2 for Shab, or 5, 3 for Shab.
Shab probably have all 4 of them.
As long as me can get them for myself.
You can't get them for yourself, but you definitely can babysit. And the question was, will you babysit?
Sure I will.
Sure will. What is or are my worst qualities and what are my best qualities? You can order it. I'd say now whatever order you want.
The worst quality? She moody. Very moody. I'm sure she lock herself in her corner. And that's it. Sometimes we play out like she's selfish. But on the other hand, she's not really selfish. She just not talk about a lot of stuff, but inside her, that has a good quality. She's a family person. And you know, strong-headed. Basically.
I am selfish to a certain extent, but I feel like with me, I know if it's set up boundaries. Like, mommy don't know boundaries. She will like just overextend. I know how to set up boundaries and I know when to say no. Mommy don't know that, and it's just like when me do it, she take it away, but I don't mean it in no way. Like, especially if I come home from school like on a Friday, I'm just tired. Like, I just want to decompress. I just go lock myself in my room and just take that moment. But to mommy, it's just like, Lord God, shall they come in and just lock up herself in our room? But at least deep down inside, I must say, it's all love. 2 things you love about me. Let's do it this way. What's 2 things you loved about me as a child? And what do you love about me as an adult? And the other question is, looking at me now, what's something that you... What was the question? 2 things you loved about me as a child, 2 things you love about me now, and looking at me now, what's one thing you wish that you had did differently?
2 things I love about you. As a child, you was focused. You was like in, you know, where I wanted you to be in terms of education, cleanliness. 2 things, because me big on that. 2 things I don't like now is that she not going in that direction then no more. She can Americanize America. One of the things I wish I do.
That's not a thing to hate. What do you mean?
I don't hate it. I don't hate it. But I don't hate nothing about it really.
But what do you mean Americanized? Speak on that.
You would be a little more.
That's not what I mean. I mean like in back home there are certain things we do differently. It's like a no care attitude then, or do it when I feel like, or whatever.
As far as cleanliness?
Yeah, and that's like because of America, in terms of the move, you have to be moving and you get tired, whatever. It's different. There's not a lot of outdoor, you know, stuff like that.
And then what's something that you wish you could have, looking back now, you could have done differently?
Maybe one, looking back, you know, can change that, but not sending it to America.
Right.
Yeah, because it kind of, to me, with relationship, we're not tight like, you know, like me and Shav tight. Because you come America, it's like, to me, America giving you that sense of responsibility, like, too early, like, basically like when you depend on home from a very young age. So because of that, you find it difficult now for me even say, Shade, where you going, or them kind of things that you don't feel like you're responsible for. Mommy, me I go down the street, or mommy, I go to the gym, or something like that.
Okay, guys, so for the backstory, I moved when I was 13, so like I basically wasn't living with her when I moved. But when I left Jamaica at 13, I moved there, so I wasn't living with her. So that's what she's trying to say, like, and I agree. I feel like America made me more. Basically, I mean, I have to grow up quick, like, and just like be this independent person. And I'm not used to be like, oh, hey, like, even now coming back living in with her after all this time, I'm not used to being like, oh, mommy, me I go there. So I'm so used to like, I will come downstairs, grab my bag, grab my keys, and I'm out. But I'm not going past you and just go. I would.
No.
But like, if you're not here, I'm not going to call you and be like, hey, I'm going here.
Right,
It's just, but it's not to me, and I hope you don't take it like a disrespect, but to me, it's like, me not even think about it. So it's like a naive thing.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I'm not saying you're thinking about it, that's what I said. You're not thinking about it because you don't grow up. Unlike Shav, you're not going to say, call me and say, mommy, me I got potty or whatever. Something like that then.
And again, right, because
I mean, expect if you say you go somewhere, at least if you say you go New York, when you reach New York, I expect if you at least say, mommy, me reach New York.
I'm so bad with that. I'm so horrible with that, y'all.
Just like if you're on the sun, you're gonna beach, and I call you, no answer, you know, call for son to reach.
Which beach?
I need that Jamaican, and then you go say, mommy, we gonna beach, or you expect if you answer phone, but me never know if you reach.
When me got to make over there?
Yeah.
But that's the thing, y'all. I am 25 and I'm going to Jamaica. Mom want me call her up here and say me reach a beach?
No, but at least call mama them.
I mean, I get it, but I feel like to me, if you don't hear nothing, I'm good. Like, I feel like I'll call if something is up. I mean, I get what you're saying though. Anyway, next question. Am I a mommy's girl or a daddy's girl?
I think she's a daddy's girl.
I am a nobody's girl.
I think she's a daddy's girl.
I don't think so.
Because she thinks she can communicate better with her dad than me.
I don't think that's it. I don't think I can communicate better with him. I think it's him understand me from a different level. I have to explain on. If I say me I go there, so him not expect me for call like certain things because like man no. And daddy give me more freedom. Mommy just where you go, where time you come out. As right now, if my left and go, if me and Jada there, I'm like, oh my mom calling me. Oh, what time you come home? And I'm just like, I don't know, I'm out. Like, something like that.
Just because of Shadi, you have to understand to how things are going on. You want to make sure, so if you say you come to work, at least me not, me I go listen out for you come in, to make sure you reach home.
Yeah, I feel like dry. You eat up your food quick, though.
I'm hungry.
Alright. Last couple questions. That's the funniest memory you have of me.
Two. No, she used to love books. And when you're there Jamaica and you wake up Saturday morning, you start wash and clean and everything. And one man me outside I wash. Every morning she wake up with the book. That time she was about 3 or 2.5. And she come up, mommy, THAT is what? I said, I'm going to put on your book and I have to go on THAT what? And my neighbor was like, the amount of things where you say, but you did that, if you did tell her side that should have got a long time, he said that she did that bad. And then, when she went to infant 3, Golden Grove now, they give her the personal data form to fill out.
I know this.
And they write, you know, you have Christian name. In Jamaica, we don't use first name, last name, and middle name. We use surname.
We use middle name. We use Christian name.
Christian name and surname. So because she was so big in our church, they asked her to fill out the form. And she write her Christian name as Sister Sade.
I remember that story.
Mm-hmm.
2 questions. One other question that I got was, how was moving? It said how was moving or transitioning from Jamaica to America for both of us. My story was a little different. I was younger. I remember I did not want to move. I bawled.
Come in.
But
It was okay. You have a good transition. I mean, coming to America for a while before me decide to stay. I kind of didn't know what to expect. So it was a smooth transition. Yeah.
how is it living with me after 12 years?
There are still things we need to work on. But basically I like it. You know. I like it. But we still need to work on something.
I need to work on some things.
Mm-hmm.
Other than cleaning my room, what?
Communication.
Communication?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
That's just something that we need to work on with everybody.
Everybody.
Every single soul. I have communication issues. My name is Sade and I accept it. I have communication issues. I'm working on it. Alright, final question. What is your proudest moment of me?
Into all the graduation ceremonies, especially Maastricht's graduation. And you hear Sade Hamilton, whatever, all of them, whatever you call it.
I got a lot of awards in high school.
Awards. Yeah, that was my proudest moment. And even
You been proud in college?
Yeah, I was proud too. I said all the graduations.
I feel like that was the biggest one.
I said all the graduations from primary.
That's cause they didn't call my name in college.
But I mean, I was proud too.
But they don't give out awards in college. I feel
know.
like.
But like Golden Globes was the same thing. So yeah, all the graduations.
All the graduation she had name was when my name kept calling.
All the graduations.
Anything outside of education.
Yeah. I mean, you know who you are. You like, you know, follow the crowd.
Period, poo.
You don't follow the crowd.
Trendsetter.
You have
Not
an identity.
a follower.
Right.
A leader. A leader.
You're
A
a
born
leader.
leader.
Yeah, you're a leader. You don't follow the crowd.
Trending. Girl.
Yeah.
But yes, guys, that's basically it. Hope you got to see another side of my mother. I'm gonna try to make it comfortable on the video and start crack joke and everything and get comfortable. Because I have a whole bunch of more video want to do with her. So here's how we get comfortable. Really comfortable like mackerel. Like on the camera. But I'm gonna chew the oxygen first because they really chew. I don't like it. I like them. That's why I like the jerk chicken. But because you get jerk chicken, I never want to get jerk chicken too.
Bring that name by now.
But the oxygen are nice, mom. They have the best jerk chicken, not oxygen. And the oxygen fatty. Anyway, guys, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, give me a big thumbs up. What should they do?
Share, subscribe,
And
like.
and comment down below. Okay?
Okay.
So what is that?
Remember,
Right?
Brothers Day. Comment, share, subscribe, and like.
Yep. Give me a thumbs up, y'all. If y'all like the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm uploading every Monday and Thursday. Thanks for watching. Say bye.
Bye.
Yo, this is how I close out my videos. Mwah.
Just stay true to them dear ones. Just stay true to them dear ones.